Hi everyone. A daily work plan in ClickUp is more than just a to-do list. It's a dynamic roadmap designed to keep your team aligned with long-term goals while managing hour-by-hour tasks. Here is the most efficient way to build yours from scratch using templates. Step 1. Navigating to your hub. Start by opening your ClickUp home screen, which is the central dashboard where every workspace, space, and project you have access to is displayed. Scroll to find the specific project you want to organize for the day. Hover over that project name until the 3 dots or ellipses appear. This is your hidden action menu, and click them to see your options. Step 2. Selecting the perfect template. From that menu, click on Template and then Browse Templates to open the full ClickUp library. In the search bar, type Project Plan and hit Enter. You'll see 2 main categories. Detailed templates, these are ideal for multi-team initiatives or complex product launches involving milestones, and simple templates. These are best for short-term daily lists or small team projects. Review the features and click Use Template on the one that matches your daily workload. Step 3. Customizing your daily layout. Once you've named your plan clearly so the team recognizes its purpose, it's time to customize the interface. Think of this like rearranging furniture in a new room. Add or remove columns, tailor the data fields to show exactly what you need for today's workflow, edit task names, update the template tasks with terminology that is familiar and clear to your specific team. Apply colored tags. These two visually differentiate between high-priority tasks and low-priority categories at a quick glance. Step 4. Finalizing and organizing. Click Use Template again to officially load the plan into your workspace. Now, utilize ClickUp's drag-and-drop interface to reorder columns or move tasks into a sequence that matches your actual work order. You can swap out checklists for due dates if your team prefers a more deadline-driven tracking system. Remember, this is a living document that can be edited at any time to evolve with your needs. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.